Hi guys, this is the cool down for Unit 3, Lesson 8. Number 1, on each number line, draw 2 jumps to show how to use tenths to make a sum of 13 tenths. So I know sum is the answer in an addition problem. So I need to show how to add using tenths. So right here, this dot is 13 tenths. So there is more than one correct answer. So I could go from here to here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that would be 6 tenths. And then I could take another jump to land on 13 tenths. So that was another 7 tenths. So right here I have done 6 tenths plus 7 tenths, and that does equal 13 tenths. Let me grab another color for the second one. So 13 tenths. So now I just need to come up with different jumps. So maybe this time I just go to here, which is 3 tenths. And then my second jump, I'll jump another 10 tenths. So I've basically shown 3 tenths plus 10 tenths equals 13 tenths. So all you had to do for number 1 was to do the number lines. You did not have to write the equations. Except, look at part A. Represent each combination of jumps as an equation. That's what I just did. And part B, write 13 tenths as a sum of a whole number and a fraction. So B was kind of a bonus question because we did not talk about that in class. But let's dissect that. 13 tenths as a sum. So it's going to equal 13 tenths. And if it's a sum, then we're adding 2 numbers. What are we adding? We're adding a whole number and a fraction. So there's a few ways to go about this. I could come back to my number line, which is getting a little messy, but let me grab another color. And I could have said, okay, 1 whole, right? 1. And then to get to 13 tenths, I would go another 3 tenths. Or I could do, and I actually did it earlier, you could take, let's see, where was that at? Right here, 10 tenths, right? So, or you could just flip that around and say 3 tenths plus 1 whole. Okay, so B was a bonus question, okay? That is a star. That was a horrible star. Sorry, guys. There we go. That was a bonus. So let's look at number 2. Find the value of 8/5 plus 6/5. Use the number line if you find it helpful. So literally you could say, okay, what is 8 plus 6? 14. So you could literally just add it. You do not have to use the number line. But I could say, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I could say 8/5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6/5, right? Okay, that is your cool down. Basically, guys, we are adding fractions, question B, talking about a sum of a whole number and a fraction. We are going to see more of those in our next lesson.